Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi A1 Plus, and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So fortunately nowadays we do not have to do a lot in order to find any malware or viruses on our device. All we have to do is to simply enter the security, and if you do not have it on the home page, no worries, it probably is somewhere, for sure is somewhere in the app drawer, and you will find it. So let's enter the security. Of course, if you're turning it on for the very first time, you'll have to agree to the terms and conditions. And as you can see right here, we've got the security scan, so just tap on it. Of course, again, privacy policy, so agree. And your device will right now scan itself, so it will scan the apps and the processes, as you can see, the payment environment, privacy, security, and so on and so on. So basically everything, in order to look for any kind of malware, viruses, or problems. And as you can see, if everything will be okay, if your device is secured, then it will show you something like that everything looks good and you don't have to worry. On the other hand, if it will find any problems, any viruses, any malware, it will simply list it right here, and you will be able to take some action. So for example, like remove the viruses, or update some payment apps, and so on and so on. So you will be able to do something with the viruses and problems. So basically that's all. This is how to virus scan your Redmi A1 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.